Watch as I transform a thrifted lamp vase into a stunning light piece using our Organza Flower Template. The first step will depend on the material of the part that holds the bulb or the spot where you can attach your petals. This one I got has a metal bulb holder, hence I'll attach a twine using E600. Since I will be using this industrial strength adhesive, I used proper PPE, a respirator mask, and nitrile gloves. I got this beautiful lamp stand or vase from Facebook Marketplace. 2 pieces of this for $5. So a piece was just $2.50. Now, story time. I was able to sell this at a market for $125. A friend from Instagram mentioned that I'm underselling and I could probably sell this for $250. Probably if I am based in New York City, but I'm not. I am based in upstate New York. I was really happy I was even to sell this for $125. Once this was finished, I let this dry or cure. Next, let us prep the fabric. The procedure here versus the steps in making the giant peony is almost the same, except the petals here will be smaller. You also won't have a center, so technically this should be easier. Now, after cutting, we're going to fold the fabric, then trace the patterns or templates. For petal 1, you will be needing 15 pieces in total. We updated the template to include the measurements and the smaller version of the template for this. To those who have already bought the template, just message us with a receipt and we'll send you the updated template. Email us at dean@dwblooms.com. We are going to use 2 layers of organza per petal. I am using 22 gauge floral wire for the wire. Feel free to use something thicker. Now, let's do petal 2. Petal 2 will be 6 pieces. In another version, I just used 5 wires instead of 7, like what I did here. You have the option to do that. That would shorten the labor time by a couple of minutes. Same with petal 1, we will also use 2 layers of fabric for petal 2. Once you are done with all the petals, again 15 petal 1s and 6 petal 2s, it's now time to assemble or attach the petals. You actually have the option to heat up the edges first. That would prevent the fraying of the edges. We are going to do 3 layers of petal 1, so that would be 5 petals per layer. I am just eyeballing the position of the first layer of petal 1. Now, let's start with the second layer. Put the petals in between layer 1 and do the same procedure for the third layer. Now, it's time to add the petal 2s. We have 2 layers for petal 2, so that will be 3 petals per layer. Equally distribute the 3 petals for the first layer. And now it's time to add the last layer and just put them in between the previous layer of petal 2. Yay! Now we are done. It's now time to cover the part where the wires are visible. You can use any material you prefer. My go-to material is a jute twine. Now, one common question I get is, won't the lamp heat up? Won't it burn? Well, yes, if you use a traditional incandescent bulb. Hence, I highly recommend to only use LED bulbs for this kind of upcycled lamp. And now we are truly done. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. And see you on our next videos. Bye!